In your computer, open the Google Chrome browser first. Here, search USGS Earth Explorer, then click on it. To download DEM data, you need to log in first. Click on Login option. Here, enter your registered USGS username. Then click on Sign In. Now you can see here that login has been completed. On left side of the computer, here, click on Search Criteria. Select a geocoding method, for example, feature, address or place, or by including path or row. So I am clicking here on address or place option. Search the place of which you want to download the digital elevation model or DEM data. For example, I am searching for Bagmundi and click on show. Here is the result and click on the result. Now the place is showing here. So we need to zoom first using mouse. Drag the point and add other 4 points. Which area you want to download the DEM or digital elevation model data. Then go to dataset and click on it. In left side, click on digital elevation option. Then click on SRTM. Click on SRTM 1 arc second global and click on results. Now this is the result, and to know that your area is covering or not, click on the show footprint option. Here we can see that the area is covering. Click on show browse overlay and click on download option. Download the GOT file. Here you can see the download has been started. Let's wait for completed. After completion of download, put it in a folder. Then open the ArcMap software or any other GIS software. Add the downloaded data from the folder. This is the downloaded DEM data. Here, we can see that lowest elevation in these tiles of the digital elevation data. 69 meter is the lowest height and 1370 meter is the highest height. You can change the color. So this is the basically highest part of this uh, data, and these are the lowest part presented in blue, deep blue color. So this is the DEM data. To know about more on digital elevation model, how to interpret it, please see the other videos in my channel. Thank you.